Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tales from Japan, where we explore the wonderful world of Japanese folklore. I'm your host, and today we have a classic and beloved story called Omusubi Kororin, or the Rolling Rice Ball. It's a charming tale about a kind old man, some very musical mice, and the importance of honesty over greed. So, grab a snack, settle in, and let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a kind and hard-working old man. One sunny day, he went to the mountains to chop wood. After working hard, he sat down under a big pine tree for lunch. He was very hungry and looked forward to the delicious omusubi rice balls his wife had made for him. "Time to eat," he said happily. But as he unwrapped the bamboo leaf, his hand slipped. Whoops! The rice ball fell out and started rolling down the grassy hill. Kororin, Kororin. It rolled and rolled. "Wait, my lunch?" the old man cried, chasing after it. But the rice ball rolled all the way down and fell plop into a small hole in the ground. The old man stopped at the edge of the hole. It was dark and too deep to reach inside. Just as he was about to give up and go home, he heard a cute little song coming from the darkness below. Omusubi Kororin Suttonton. My, what a lovely sound, he thought. He was so charmed that he dropped another rice ball in, just to hear the song again. He dropped a third one, and the singing got happier and louder. Overcome with curiosity to see who was singing such a wonderful song, the old man took a deep breath and jumped right into the hole himself. Suttonton. Down he went, sliding into the magical world below. At the bottom of the hole, the old man opened his eyes to an amazing sight. It was a land of mice. Hundreds of little mice were wearing kimonos and having a grand party. "Welcome, kind old man," the mice squeaked. "Thank you for the delicious rice balls." They welcomed him as a guest of honor. They pounded mochi and sang songs. The old man smiled and clapped along, enjoying the wonderful feast. When it was time to leave, the mice brought out two gifts as a thank you, a big treasure box and a small treasure box. "Please choose one," they said. The old man was humble. "I'm old and cannot carry heavy things," he said. "I will take the small box." The mice thanked him again and showed him the way home. When the honest old man opened the small box at home, it was full of gold coins. A greedy neighbor heard this story and wanted gold too. He rushed to the same hole and threw in some bad-tasting rice balls. Then he jumped in without waiting. Inside, he found the mice, but instead of being polite, he tried to scare them away to steal their treasure. "Meow, meow," he shouted, pretending to be a cat. The mice were terrified and ran away in an instant. Suddenly, all the magical lights went out. The greedy man was left in total darkness. He felt around for the treasure, but found only rocks and dirt. Scared, scratched, and empty-handed, he had to crawl his way back out of the hole. He learned that day that greed never leads to happiness. And that is the story of Omusubi Kororin. The honest old man lived happily ever after, while the greedy neighbor learned a hard lesson. Thank you for watching Tales from Japan. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tales from Japan. See you next time.